Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. It's Cab over Gary. I'm out here in my friend's fab shop. I gotta fix these ramps on the Belshe trailer that got messed up a little while ago. Let me show you what my plans are. So these angles we decided is not the right way to do it, so I gotta cut them out. So what I'm gonna try to do, they need to be flipped around. They're bending real easy that direction, and just not working right. So kind of the plan is I have this metal cutting saw. I'm going to try to cut as close to the edge as possible and see how that goes. Hopefully that goes pretty smooth. So I'll set you guys up so you guys can see. Well, got all the angles cut out. That's all did pretty dang good. This side I was still learning on. This side took probably half the time on. I kind of figured out how to use it. And I still got a little bit of grinding to do, but it's not going to be bad at all. Next thing is these need cut down. I gotta So this is where I ended up at the end of the day. That's all cut out. Strapped there. You saw that with the plasma cutter. All those are ground flush and along the sides there. And I grinded them with a big grinder, and then I hit them with a flap wheel. Hopefully it'll blend enough with when I paint them. They won't see it. So then tomorrow we're gonna add another rib here and here, and then sister a piece onto here, and then these are the new angle irons, which are a little thicker, and then these will go across in that position this time, which should make everything quite a bit stronger. It's going to have quite a bit more ribbing in here. That'll take most of the weight, so that'll help a lot. So yeah, that's plans for tomorrow. And I'm going to go get something to eat, and I'll catch you back tomorrow. Alright guys, so these are the parts that are going to go in there to help reinforce this ramp. These pieces get sistered to that center one I cut down, and it's just going to be to support the angle iron better. And then these are two more ribs that are going to go in there and just add a whole lot of strength to it. Also, another thing we did is we upped the size of the angle iron 1/4 inch from 3/16 because I'm welding heavier track machines a lot now, some with steel tracks. So just wanted something that I'm not going to tear up, and hopefully this is the answer to that, but we'll see. The ramps are all over there, cut up, ready for these to be cleaned up and then put in. Got my buddy Jesse here welding this for me since I'm not a very good welder. But I got all the ribs fitted in there, and he's gonna weld it together for me. And then after those are all welded in, these will be welded in. So basically we added this rib, sistered them, and turned the angles over. So these ramps should be more than strong enough now. Probably over double the strength that they were originally. So we're going to continue on welding and get this finished up. Well guys, this is going to be the end of this video. I didn't get them painted. That was going to be the next thing, but I got to get home. I got loads to do. I'll get them painted this week. But we added these to help strengthen it. And then the extra ribs, as you know, and the angle iron. So you guys, please, you know the drill. Like and subscribe and comment. I love to hear the comments. They really help the channel grow and make me want to do this more. So yeah, I'll get with you guys next week on another video. Have a good weekend, guys, and happy Memorial Day to the guys in the US and the girls.